Okay, welcome back. We've got commodities in focus as promised. Markets up about 60-odd points, much better than the opening that we got at 9:15. Manisha is here with what she's tracking and what top of mind. Manisha, good morning.
Morning, and thank you for that, Prashant. Well, I'm looking at precious metals as a whole because another day, another month, and we're looking at new all-time highs coming in for many of these commodities here. Well, I'll start with gold, and we're looking at all-time highs in the international markets, all-time highs in the Indian space as well. And with this, we have crossed $39.20 an ounce for the global markets in sense of gold there, and we are trading nearly 50% higher for this year. Now, if you look at the last couple of years, gold is almost doubled now in that sense in prices. Well, it has to be about a prolonged U.S. government shutdown, which seems to be impacting the markets right now. And then it has been about the U.S. Federal Reserve officials. Various speeches are slated starting today itself. And Thursday, you have Powell testimony as well coming in. And that is where the markets will take further direction from. If you look at the all-time highs in sense of gold, the first half of this year saw all-time highs being hit 26 times. In the month of September alone, we've seen that happen 13 times. And today, 6th of October, we've seen gold prices hit all-time highs 3 times already. So gold clearly on a run there. But it's not just about gold. Take a look at silver as well. And we are trading above $48 an ounce. 67% of gains coming in for silver as well. And markets have seen 7 consecutive gains in sense of weekly gains there. Also, silver is approaching $49.50 an ounce. This has been an all-time high. We've seen that happen twice already in 1980 and 2011, and it's happening again in 2025. Markets at this point in time is pricing in near 100% probability of a yet another U.S. rate cut for the month of October. And that really seems to be supporting gold and silver and then platinum as well, which is broken out of its 17-year consolidation. And we're looking at 12.5-year highs coming in for platinum there. And platinum clearly seems to be outperforming with nearly 82% gains in this year, with expectation that a third year of deficit in 2025 could be taking prices higher, and we could be looking at premium continuing into this space. Finally, I also want to talk about Bitcoin because we're looking at all-time highs into this one as well. $125,000 for a Bitcoin is where we are trading. 33% of gains in this year, and Bitcoin is up nearly 99% if you look at the last 12 months there. Well, clearly, it has been about the U.S. government shutdown. That has been supportive. There has been this buoyancy that we've seen in gold and Bitcoin for most of this year, with an expectation that you could be looking at an outperformance coming in from Bitcoin for the last quarter as well. If you look at the spot ETF inflows, well, they have been quite high, the second highest since ETF was launched in Jan 2024. The weakness in US dollar, all of those factors continuing to support as well. So markets are looking at further gains coming in for precious metals and cryptos.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for